Kurumjari Digital World Mayambu Kurjima Pugi channel da Tram Nokchuri. Ngasi ju puduna lakchuri Kurjima Pugi wahang ichema Google ki pakumda 1st of July National Doctors Day gi Marilenana Doctor gi maramda ichema Google da karhangjagi taminasi ichema Google na kari hairiba.
Hi there, I'm listening. How can I help today?
Tell me something about Bachelor of Dental Surgery.
According to Wikipedia, there are a number of professional degrees in dentistry offered by dental schools in various countries around the world.
Tell me more about Bachelor of Dental Surgery. BDS Doctor.
According to College Deco, BDS is the graduation program to become a dental surgeon. The program covers various aspects of dental problems, denture and surgery in the same fields. BDS or Bachelor of Dental Surgery is the most popular medical course after MBBS.
How many years does a BDS course take?
5 years. According to Sarvagyan, the BDS is a 5-year UG degree program. This course can be pursued through full-time and part-time courses. The BDS is one of the most sought courses after 12th in medical field.
What about Ayush doctors?
According to NCBI, Ayush is an acronym for Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy and are the 6 Indian systems of medicine prevalent and practiced in India and some of the neighbouring Asian countries with very few exceptions in some of the developed countries.
Tell me more about Ayush.
According to Wikipedia, the Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Rigpa and Homeopathy is purposed with developing education, research and propagation of indigenous alternative medicine systems in India.
Number of doctors to the population ratio in India.
According to Deccan Herald, the doctor population ratio in India is 1:1,456 against the WHO recommendation of 1:1,000.
This means in India, the doctors are handling more population. Who are doctors?
According to Wikipedia, a physician, medical practitioner, medical doctor, or simply doctor, is a professional who practices medicine, which is concerned with promoting, maintaining or restoring health through the study, diagnosis, prognosis and treatment of disease, injury, and other physical and mental impairments.
When is Doctors' Day observed?
National Doctors' Day in United States will be on Wednesday the 30th of March 2022.
National Doctors' Day of India.
July 1st. According to the less than be greater than Indian less than be greater than express. Every year, July 1st is observed as National Doctors' Day in the memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who had his birth and death anniversary on the same day.
Who is Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy?
According to Wikipedia, Bidhan Chandra Roy was an Indian physician, educationist, philanthropist, freedom fighter and statesman who served as the Chief Minister of West Bengal from 1948 until his death in 1962.
What are the significance of Doctors' Day?
According to the less than be greater than Indian less than be greater than express. The day, commemorated by Indian Medical Association, is dedicated to all the doctors and healthcare workers who have been serving people by risking their lives.
Who can become a doctor?
Here's a summary from Business Insider: less than be greater than India less than be greater than. When you apply for the MBBS program through the general category, you must have completed 17 years. MBBS is the basic degree required to become a doctor.
What is the full form of MBBS?
According to Medicine and Allied Sciences, careers 360. MBBS long form, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. In Latin Medicinae Baccalaureus, Baccalaureus Chirurgia.
What are the courses after MBBS?
According to Leverage Edu, the best courses after MBBS include MD, Masters in Hospital Administration, MS in Clinical Pathology, Masters in Public Health, MTech in Biomedical Engineering and Biological Sciences and diploma courses in Sports Medicine, Pediatrics, Psychology, Occupational Health, etc.
How many doctors are available in India?
Here is information from Medical Dialogues.
As per information provided by the MCI BOG, 1255786 allopathic doctors are registered in the country as on 30th June 2020. 12,55,786 allopathic doctors. Who control doctors in India?
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. National Medical Commission is an Indian regulatory body of 33 members.
Which regulates medical education and medical professionals. Give one wishes on Doctor's Day.
According to India.com, a doctor is bestowed with the eye to see and treat weakness in mankind. He is the one who can give us hope when we are in doom. Happy Doctor's Day. This world has become a better and healthier place to live in, with doctors bringing the joy of health and goodness to our lives.
Thank you, doctors.
Here's what I found on the web.
Thank you very much, all the doctors and all the medical staff, for saving our life.